Hi guys, made a new knife today. It's not really a knife because it's made from aluminum, because I don't have money to buy new steels. So, yeah. But made my first friction folder. Need to tighten the pivot screw. Hope you can see just some threaded rods with some hex bits in it. I found at the second-hand store. Just a prototype for it's failed, but it's from the failures that you learn. So mobile for first time, not bad, not bad at all. Mostly it's just my opinion. I'm gonna retry that this couple of times to the point that I'm really happy with them. Then I'm gonna make them out of steel. The other knives, the Dashis, the Vampire Slayer, the Crazy Kitchen, all for sale still. So if you don't know, check out the sale vid. And there was more I want to tell you, but what was it? Think. What was it? Oh yeah. I'm on Facebook now also, so if you want, check me out on there. It's yeah, I will leave the name in the description if I think about it. So yeah, that's it for now. We'll see what we got. Actually, this is really good about it. Can get it really good in reverse grip, but it needs to stay closed. Just want to show you this. Bye. Oh, keep it up also. Okay. Bye.